You can try to climb in here or climb over there. I'm thinking for you to be over there.
Huh?
For you to...
That way, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But since it's much of a step,
Yeah.
there's a less than a step. Don't fall into the hole. No, you're not pulling that one. Second.
That one does the job.
Going.
Yeah, make it a beer before we go hauling ass off. Where we at? The lake, right? Right?
The lake is right here.
Yeah, to the left.
Ah, we can mess around right here where we were yesterday.
That's a cool little circle thing that you guys are doing there.
Huh?
It's like a little trail.
Yeah.
Like a circle, right?
It's not really a circle, but it's fun. Even you may make it now.
Huh.
We're gonna make it to right here.
Where?
Esto.
I know where they're going. Acá mismo hay un cool little part that we were messing around yesterday.
Oh,
You can make it.
I like your face.
It's not to get going, it's just to mess around in
This
here.
is my first time to go there like that, the mori.
That's what I'm saying, you see it first.
Huh?
Because you can always, there's like two parts, the really fucked up part and the really decent part. It's just to mess around, to go around.
Huh?
Kind of look at the floor and see. But when you get stuck like that, it's really easy to
At least yours doesn't weigh that much, you know?
Yeah, doesn't weigh nothing, really. So you can get out of a lot of shit a lot easier.
Well,
Most of it.
If you compare this bike with that one, it's lighter, but
Yeah.
kind of heavy bike.
No, it's...
Yours is what?
That's all you need, just 5
What, 600 pounds?
I don't know. I don't know
It's
how
based on the
much it
CC, Romo Tom. The CC is exactly the weight.
pounds.
I know, that's what I'm trying to say.
So,
Yours is the easier one to take out.
Well, let's do it then.
This is it. We got from that side this way.
Wait,
Right?
huh? Go around.
Yeah.
This way.
Follow me, follow me. Whoa, salí ahora. Oh, he's fucked already. You shouldn't go to the same place that I was. It's dark. It's dark. It's fucking dry. Hold up, don't kill yourself. What happened? Why you didn't go through the water? Hold up, we gotta push him from the back. It would be easy for you to get through the water. That wasn't shallow. It was really shallow and rocky in the bottom.
Yeah, go. Solid in there?
It's dry. That was wet in there.
Huh?
That was wet in there.
I mean, you have to.
You will have to sink like this much before you get rock in there. Alright, let's take fire in the shadow. Shut it. You want a Coke?
Sure, man.
Alright.
I need that extra phosphor. Nah, definitely my friend will not make it.
In this part, no. Over there, yeah.
I mean, I'm a little impressed how far I go with that one.
Now you're gonna try your luck in here.
Okay.
Don't stop.
No, it's not gonna go that far than there, the corner, I tell you.
But even then, you don't have to start here. You can start on the other side.
Huh?
You don't have to start right here.
From there to here?
No, that way.
Okay. No, I drive by the mud, as you guys did.
Yeah.
Because like he said, it was solid.
That was good.
Yeah,
That
solid.
That's an awesome, dope little trail. I didn't even know that one.
The one that we shot over there?
Yeah, that was cruising, bro.
Yeah, it's
And
relaxing.
That's capable. It's good like that. That's good for yours too. Cause it's not exagerado that it's like we're under fucking water the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that shit.
This is the next step. You're gonna like it, but you're gonna have to go in there by yourself or one at a time. Because of the extra way on the back.
What's up with this guy? Who was that going around?
Harley, the Polaris, and another Polaris, two doors side by side.
Yeah, we don't even want to go around them. They get stuck, we're all fucked. Trying to help them out.
That side by side is that like,
Side by side is the same horsepower as the bike, but shows more weight.
yeah,
So no good for the mud.
yeah. That's good for the sand. Excellent for the sand.
Yeah, because you got more wider frame.
Mm-hmm.
So you could do more fuck around a lot more on the bike without being scared of flipping it over.
Right.
All of this shit was us yesterday.
You guys had fun in there?
Yeah, we were just fucking around for a good hour in here. Because there were like 8 of us.
Oh, this is the little circle you were going around like this, right?
No, this is not a circle. You haven't seen the video on this one. We just found it out yesterday.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I saw him. I saw all the videos yesterday, bro. I just woke up late as shit.
No, but I haven't uploaded the video from yesterday. Maybe for another video which I don't remember.
Or no.
Yeah. The thing is that you all saw videos that is from last week, right? For you guys all together.
Mm-hmm.
When you guys.
But the video from yesterday, I haven't uploaded them yet.
Videos of yesterday, you guys put up and you have barbecue and everything. It was a dope.
Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah, you're right. But no, I was thinking that you were saying the video from YouTube. Not the one from the group. Yeah, you're right. I was thinking about the video from YouTube. Nada que ver. You're right, that was from the group, yeah. This is the place.
That was a dope.
This is the place.
Exactly. You guys posted up. Now it looks familiar that I'm looking at it because Wahito was standing right here looking this way. I saw you come around, and then you did a lap.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was dope. I just gotta keep taking rounds. That's how I'm gonna remember this shit.
It's only one way to do it. Either going over and over again or getting stuck one night and then you will remember. You will see those two guys that will wind up joining us.
They're by the lake.
The lake is straight that way. They sound like they're going over there. Like they were trying to look for it because the guy on the ATV looked at the house this way and they kept on going.
They come back.
Man, looks like, yeah.
Yeah, I see this. I see what you mean with the side by side. It's like you have to be lifted, and
But even lifted, you still have weight. You will get stuck eventually, and when you get stuck with a lifted one,
what you can do on that, you put a turbo to make
you
more.
but then you're
no, the
gonna
only
you're
thing
gonna
you could do
have put
to make it easier, wide tires. So you get more surface area on the floor.
And every single people that has a side by side, they want to get like skinny ones.
Yeah, because the skinny, they're lighter to make bigger tires.
Big tire. Yeah.
Yeah, so they go higher.
Bigger tires, they look nice and everything, but when you get stuck in those,
And
Those
there's gonna be
spots.
a mission
Yeah.
to take you out. You're gonna
Like you see, those tires are for
Trails.
A Honda Pioneer 1000.
Oh yeah, you told me, yeah.
Yeah, that's
No,
what it is.
friend, I just fucked it all up.
They're
Good
trail
enough for
tires.
that bike.
What I did
Yeah,
for you.
plenty for that.
There's no lift for that type of bike.
The only leaf you're gonna have is putting a spacer on the spring.
I already have a spacers.
Oh, you did already?
Yeah, on the back.
On the back, okay.
Yeah, but there's nothing to lift it up.
Beyond putting a spacer on the lift, no.
It's 2 inches.
And that's it.
That's it.
You ready?
Yeah, man, let's do it.
Watch us first so you know what to expect.
Okay.
But if I was you, don't go in through this part, going over there, go in that way.
I would just go and then we take you out and keep going and take you out and go.
Yeah. But advice, if you're gonna go through here, at the end there's a quite jumpy places in there. So you might wanna do one at a time.
I'm looking in there and I'm like, that's a hell no for me.
Yeah, no, you can't. You gotta maneuver around it though. You can look around.
Listen to me what I'm saying. At the end,
Kind of learning.
there's some 2 jumps in there, yeah, you got to make a turn. So you might not wanna try one at a time in the bike.
That's fine. I will follow you unless you want to go the other way.
No, we're just gonna fuck around here first, then we keep going. Because you're not gonna make it all the way back if we keep on going that way.
Let's do it. That's nice.
Today is fuck around day.
Exactly.
That's cheating. What the fuck? That's cheating. You got 4x4, you're cheating. You got 4x4, you're cheating.
The thing is that I brake because
Just for sale, don't stop.
no, the thing is that I only have front brakes now.
Oh, okay.
I will hit his bumper.
Give space before you start going in there. You can't go one on top of each other. Because then if you get stuck, you get stuck right behind him and you get stuck too.
So where to get off? What do we do?
You gotta complete the route. You gotta complete the route.
What, follow you? What do you mean?
We gotta find the way out.
So I go this way?
Yeah.
And around?
Yeah. Or even you can go through there, right through there.
Okay.
Now it's rocky, it's about this much. Look, it's about this much right here, and you get rock in the bottom.
But if you go with a little bit of impulso, you're gonna go right through.
Yeah.
Right through there. Look for the patches of grass.
Yeah.
He's scared, he's scared. He's keeping going to the edges while way too safe.
Yeah. We went around to one side. I guided him through that way. We're gonna go around here though, right?
Through there and then go around, yeah. Don't slow down.
No, then that's how you get stuck.
Exactly. He can make it in the workshop fine. Pablo, we're going in the water. Yeah, it's on the distance. Hey. I think he got no reverse now. Oh, the key's here. Let's see. What's up? What's up? You join up or what? I am your buddy with the yellow Can-Am Easy, and we have one fresh meat with the 2x4, and we have one more join up in here too. But he's not. The one that was laughing at the video last time. The one that we put in the group. When your friend for when your friend the friendly neighbor Spider-Man. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna be 4 plus your ass too. So you better show up in here. No, the Hondas they're not in here today.
But we don't need that. I like that.
Let's show up. We're here. So cool. We don't have to go to not too deep shit. We have a 2x4 here. Dale, just give me a heads up when you close it by. So we could meet you by the parking lot. Bye. ¿Qué le dio ahora?
¿Se ahogó?
¿Se ahogó? ¿Cómo carajo dio tan profundo?
No, se ahogó.
Que le entró agua. ¿Le entró agua en el filtro? No tenés el filtro, by the way.
¿Ah?
No tenés el filtro. ¿Abriste el filtro para usted asegurarse que no tenga agua ahí? ¿Y cómo se aguantó así? Está bien el filtro, está limpio, no tiene ni agua, ni fango, ni nada.
Madre.
O sea que se apagó con las piedras y se apagó cuando le arranque por mucho tiempo se infló de cylinder.
Puede ser. Vamos a probar. Ya que aquí está seco.
Agua en el cilindro no puede, no. O en el cilindro no es. Yeah, it's flooded.
Huh?
I think it's flooded. You got the tool, the fitting para sacar el spark plug?
No. Shit. I mean, it's spark plug. Oh shit.
You got water in between the spark plug?
No.
The plug came off.
Yeah.
That might be why it's not starting.
Se jodió.
What do you mean se jodió?
Se rompió la cosa.
Se rompió el socket. ¿Ah?
Está suelto.
El plug.
Sí.
Can you fix it with zip tie?
Huh?
Can you fix it with zip tie?
No. It's too hot. I think it's too hot.
Get it out of the water first and we figure it out. Kill it.
Yeah, that's what it is. It is loose. It's not meant to be like that.
Así.
Spark plug.
I know, but you're trying to figure out a way to get it so it won't move.
No, the thing is like
Okay, so no more rocky stuff for you.
No. Pick it up.
Let's go that way now. No bouncing.
No bouncing.
Yep.
That's good. Let's get more mud.
Same shit for his end.
Look at him, like a real body.
The boot is coming off. See, now he's getting more confident because he goes a little more to the middle. Let's go that way. We got the kid, your friend, the kid coming over with his mom too.
My friend.
Yeah, you know, I was trying to tell you, it was heavy when I was telling her that they was laughing at you at the Spider-Man.
Oh, that kid,
They with the red Can-Am.
with Spider-Man.
Yeah, but Spider-Man is not coming over today. That's his mom and his niece, I think.
Oh, they're definitely gonna help.
Oh shit! I see the high lifter pulling out the side by side. I already see the high lifter having to pull the side by side. He doesn't even have mud tires.
The little side by side, right?
Yeah. Alright, Naldo, we're gonna go that way.
Where the fuck are we, bro? How do we do that lap, bro? How do you want me to remember that?
Right here at the lake.
I know. Oh, alright, I know where we're at now. Oh, so we did all that shit around there?
Están coming right here or you coming on that side? Come on.
That's bumpy.
Huh?
And the bumpy.
Nah. Somebody fuck up really good in here. Look, normally we should go straight into the water.
What?
Normally we're going straight through the water.
Do it.
But we're gonna try to show you a way easy on the dry part, you know? Because in this part, the water gets a little like deep up to here. Beyond that, it's not that deep.
No, I will not go with the purple leather.
That's what I'm saying. We're gonna show you the way to the dry part,
Okay.
which is in the right side. But we may have to experiment because I don't remember how bad is it in this part.
Sure.
Because like I say, we always go through the water.
Go.
When the other guys,
Through the water, you just go on the side.
yeah, but I'm not used to going through the side, so I don't remember the actual pathway. So we have to find one right now.
We always we find one.
Yeah, but I'm letting him know because he doesn't know. See, this is what I'm saying. This is why I don't try this part because my shit is too heavy. Hold up. You're not doing that with this one. Can you hold me up, please? Hold me that tree, please. I gotta get you one more winch. So you know which way not to go now. Hold it. You should have enough. Alright. Hey, what kind of hooking is that? Thank you. I'm free! That was a big hole. Thank you. I got the feeling that we're gonna need it again. Alright, you gotta look, go for another route. How about this right here? How does it look? To go around for you. How does it look to go in here?
You gotta go through here.
No, not steep. Look. It's not. Okay, it gets soft in here. I give you that.
Yeah, for
I did.
Yeah, that gets softer.
sure. You gotta come around this way, but
You guys gotta jump it.
yeah, no,
But it's not, acá doesn't get so bad. No,
oh shit.
it's still drivable in here.
Try to push to the right. I'm gonna go and push to the right.
Nope. I was saying you could go in between here, but you're not gonna get far anyways.
They're right there, bro.
Yeah, but you cannot go far.
To the right. Step to the right.
So. Yeah, he could make it better through here. Or not.
Wait, let me go first, and then that might be better too.
Nope. You're fucked already too. Take out the winch.
You're gonna be like, don't come this way.
Well, let me get some anchor. You're pulling me down too.
Wanna pull it?
Hold on, let me get out of this way. You're gonna hook time to the tree or you're gonna have to talk to my back?
Whatever.
Yo creo que la moto mía hasta ahí llegó.
No, it's only this part to get fucked in here.
Okay.
Because beyond that part, we can make it across on the side.
Damn, my preschool is garbage. Right?
I know, you get full of mud all the time. So lucky, and we pull it with the windshield. With the
Come over here and grab
Holy
it and
shit.
I'll reel out.
hold up, because I got stuck in my way in. I got it. When you go forward, try to enter straight to the hole. Give me 1 second.
Give it to me.
Hold up, I still gotta get out of the hole anyways.
Okay. Do it.
Give me more. Yeah, okay, I'm out. We're gonna need 30 pounds of fucking mud. Hold on, leave it there, leave it there. You good to go? Let me move, let me go forward so you make it straight. You good? Or not so much? You're not doing much in there. Hold up, you don't have much to winch. Let me go forward now. Let's do it together. Alright, you're out. Now you guys jump in. No, hold up. He's not gonna make it. You already make a hole for him. Hold on, he might be able to get across in that side. Hold on, before he goes to jump into the hole. Can you turn off my bike, please? Look, you can make it through the side, but you gotta go back from there.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the your way, easier way.
Yeah.
I wish we would have found that one before.
You don't like to run anyway.
What's the fun otherwise, you know? Right?
That was out. That was out.
Este es el hermano chiquito de Chihuahua. See what he does? He let us suffer through when he found an easy way. Hey, George. See what he does? He let us suffer in here when he just find an easy way around.
Hey, you should go in front.
We gotta go in the tree here. Pasa aquí para aquel lado.
Go first or go first?
I go first because you don't know the way. And right here, if you don't make a left, as soon as you go in, it's a hole.
Let's just keep a better eye out, right, guys?
Why?
Alright, hold up, let me lock up here before you
Yeah, show one through because we're gonna go that way.
find out.
Let's see if it was this one. Yeah, there was definitely that one because we climbed over that side, that I remember. But let's see. No, it was definitely not this one. But fuck it, we're going in now. It wasn't this one! Just so you know, it wasn't this entrance! Ow, fucking trees. Hola, esta hole. Espérate. That's why you get stuck.
Why?
Because I cannot make the turn. I need to back down. You gotta at least pay for each other to get through.
How else?
Thank you. This wasn't the trail.
That was dope too.
No, but I still go, but wasn't it? Don't go in there! And you fell right into it, huh? It wouldn't let you. Hola, because this wasn't it. You get really fucked up in this part. We were supposed to go that way. Now I got to turn around anyways, hold up. You might want to go back?
I think so.
Yeah, because you got some traction going in reverse now. You got it in reverse?
Yeah.
Alright, go. Hold up, I don't do shit. Go.
Wait.
Let me know.
Yeah.
Ready? Alright, you're out. Whoa. Hold on, we are supposed to go that way. To go in between the trees, not right here.
Okay.
Go right around like this.
So back that way because we gotta go in there.
Okay.
Little spots.
This is an adventure.
Huh? Yeah.
That adventure.
You haven't seen nothing yet. Let's see if we can make a call forward. Now we gotta go into the trees. Yeah, let me turn around. them? You got stuck now? No, they're good. They're good. They're coming. They work. No fucking water. Ah, shit. Don't slow down if you're gonna go through it. Go back. Go on the grass. Ah, bueno, mira cosa over there. You make it? No. One at a time. No, winch it, winch it. Winch it from here. Winch it. All right.
That's crazy. That's completely to the side.
45. All right, go.
Wait up, wait up. Here we go.
Yeah, wrong side, right? I'm going. Okay. Now we're gonna pull you. But you follow my same tracks, what the heck? Make it to your left. Ah, but you weren't stuck. You weren't stuck. Try to make a left in here. Huh? Try to make a left in here. But don't get on it. Oh, give me that hole. Hold up, I'm sliding off. Okay. Alright, go. Hold up. Let me walk, go. No? Wait. Alright, you know. Let's take 5. Alright, get out and we take 5. It's fucking hot today. All of this is just to avoid the water.
I'm gonna take that tree down.
Alright, go right through here. If you can, dale, por ahí. Oh! Let me see how wide it is back here.
Bring it in.
Alright, it's quite decent. Yeah. Ah, we're coming. Why don't you make it through here?
That's not open. What? Where is the hole? Alright, let's go this way. Let's go straight through here. We'll push you out.
If anything, move your forward. Hold up, hold up. Go. Don't go in the hole.
Wait up.
You're supposed to make it to the left. Yeah, not too late. You're in the hole already. Okay, go forward now.
Huh?
Go forward.
What we do? There?
Forward, like that.
For your bike?
Yeah. Hold up. Let me catch up. Go. You gotta learn to read the fucking floor. Thank you. Forward to the right.
Go on the other side, please.
We have to take 5 in the shadow.
Yeah.
Don't floor it, okay? Eso. You're out.
A little bit more, I guess, right?
Same thing, yeah. Push it up.
Alright, you're out. Follow me.
Follow the leader.
I ain't no leader. I got us in here, so you see how kind of leader I am.
Yeah, you're the leader, you know the route.
Sort of. If I knew any better, I wouldn't take you through here. You want to try one if you want to make it in there. You gotta go fast. That's not fast enough. Oh, what a nice wind. Alright, let me give it a go, you push. Ready? Oh, you gotta stay behind? Alright, I'm taking it with me. Bye.
All you need is a good push, yeah.
Yeah, yours at least is lighter. The little push doesn't work on mine. Don't follow the same tracks. If I was you, I'd try that side.
There.
Yeah, across in here. Jump it across. Don't get too close to that side. Get in between here, right here. There you go. There you go.
Turn it right.
Now we're gonna take a park over there in the shade.
Okay.
We take 5. Are you good?
Yeah. Just strap up here.
I want to ask you for one of those when we park over there. I trade you for a Coke.
Good, I don't need it.
She's getting the Coke, I see that. Yeah. Somebody text me. Who the heck texted me?
Damn, we go right through that.
Okay. Vamos to the little forest in there, see if we could park in there. And we take 5 in there. right, now take a beer.
Do another run. Another beer.